He hasn't even started recording yet.
How much do I have? 12. Okay.
That should be enough for this.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of the most famous elevators in Metro.
The Huntington Metro Station in Alexandria, Virginia. Want to push it?
Let's do it. And it's working.
Look at that.
Wow, M was working a second ago. I saw it.
All right, here we go.
Let's do it. Let's look down.
Here it goes.
There's your scenic view out.
Yeah, this is a nice view.
Oh, this is funny.
Isn't it? We finally made it here.
Yes, we did. This is absolutely weird. There's the weight. That's still got to be just like going down on a regular traction elevator. That's got to be hard for it going down because it's being pulled up.
Exactly, yeah.
This is crazy.
It really is. Hey, there's a 7,000
There's a
down.
7,000 series.
Yeah.
Why do we think alike?
I
when
don't
we do our
know.
videos. Are you kidding me? Why are we so alike? All right, we'll watch it level or dock.
Yeah, I think it has the voice too.
Mezzanine level. Thank you for using the Metro Rail.
Yes, it does.
Train level. Thank you for using the Metro Rail.
Heard you the first time, but thank you. All right, we definitely gotta take this out.
Oh yeah, we have to.
We absolutely gotta take this out.
All right.
And now the indicator works. Oh, whoa. that's weird.
You can really see the system work.
Let's see.
I mean, look at that.
Yeah, look at that. You got the little pulley thingies right there.
Yeah. Oh, here comes the counterweight.
It's weird, like how the traction ropes are literally like underneath the car.
It is, isn't
pulling
it?
us up. That's insane.
It is.
Yeah, there's the weight right there, but you can see also the rollers are pretty different. And there's side, yeah, everything is basically side mounted. And 7,000 series is leaving.
It's leaving, yeah.
There she goes. It's like ready to go up on a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is probably hooked on the undercarriage.
It probably is.
Instead of on the top.
The escalators are to the right of us.
Yep. Yeah, look at that. And what's also weird is that the governor cable is literally alongside this too. And you can almost see into the machine area.
Mezzanine level. Thank you for using the Metro Rail.
That is so freaking
That is
cool.
insane.
There's turnstiles out right there. I'll let you set this one. Door is closing.
Get a cab you now.
Stand clear.
Hey, William.
Hi, Wesley.
It is a standard transit elevator, but the fact that it's a whole incline system makes it really unique.
Yeah, this is very standard.
Yeah. We weren't gonna leave DC without riding this one, though.
No, that we cannot.
Yeah.
Let's get this to not be pixelated.
These are monitor buttons, but I kind of like these. Don't really see these outside the DC area.
They're an interesting monitor, yeah.
Yeah.
They're definitely an interesting monitor, for sure. Guess we'll actually look at this panel while we're at it, just to get a view. Report a crime to Metro Police. Yeah, monitor buttons. SA 2500. All accidents or a accident on or damaged OD. Okay, whatever. We're not gonna bother trying to do that. This belt thing is interesting.
It is interesting, yeah. It's kind of curling up and then it slowly disappears.
Yeah. Wonder what that's supposed to be for. Is that's not a traveler, or is that? Oh no, maybe those are the traveling cables.
Yeah.
Or some kind of communication cable or something, and maybe it's just guarded.
Train level. Train level. Thank you for using the Metro Rail.
This is a sick elevator. I love it.
It is friggin' amazing. Who do you think installed it?
I have no idea. I doubt it's US. I think this is original to the station.
It's US, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, there's your analog and all that up there. It's a GAL. There it is, along with the steep escalator.
Yep.
There she goes. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The world famous inclinator at the Huntington train station.
Yep.
Hope you all enjoyed. And I guess
That's it.
that will be it.
Let's see who's faster at Huntington Metro. Yeah, right?